Albatron Technology Co. Limited is a Taiwan-based company, whose current CEO is Jack Ko. The company is primarily known for having been a major manufacturer of graphics cards and motherboards based on NVIDIA chipsets in the 2000s, which were marketed under the brand Albatron. History: the company began in 1984 as Chung-Yun Electronics, TVs and Markets, but it is renamed Albatron Technology in 2002 and expanded its range of products. They started out making generic, no-name, branded technology hardware, but started to brand their products after the name change to Albatron. The company once had a small market share in consumer computer hardware aftermarket, but now only manufactures peripherals and accessories for consumers as their graphics cards and motherboards manufacturing is now aimed at industrial users only. Location: its headquarters is located in Taipei, Taiwan since 2002. The trading company with more than 60 distributors worldwide, and 4% of its revenues were invested in research and development. See also: Elite Group Computer Systems, ECS, Gigabyte Technology, Microstar International, MSI, ASRock. Official website.